Today I'm going to show you how to create motion blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is a normal video footage and I will play the video. I will speed it up. I will go to Effects, then right click the mouse button and go to time ramping, then speed. From here we increase it speed by 1 point. Then I will go Effect and search Directional Blur. And leave it the Effect Adjustment layer. Then I will go Effect Control and turn on the blur length keyframe. And lastly we will give another keyframe. Then we will give another keyframe a little further, like 12%. Then we will play. If you want, you use mask effect on it to make it more beautiful. Select the adjustment layer and go to rectangle mask. And turn on the inverted button. Press Shift key on keyboard and increase the mask. Choose your focus point, then increase max feather. It's finished now. If we play it, it will look like this. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.